GPS, Global Positioning System. It is a worldwide satellite-based navigation system consisting of 27 or more satellites and their shore-based stations. It provides accurate information about position, speed, and accurate time. At any point on the Earth, receiver can track at least 4 or more satellites at a given time. Main screen contains informations like position, date and UTC time, GPS receiving conditions or position fixing method, speed over ground and course over ground, range and bearing. Types of display: plotter, highway, navigation, and finally data. Navigation planning. We can feed the position, mark, and name of a waypoint. Alarm settings. Arrival alarm. The arrival alarm informs you that own ship is approaching a destination point. The area that defines an arrival zone is that of a circle which you approach from the outside. The alarm will be released if own ship enters the circle. For example, a circle range of 0.30 nautical miles. Cross-track alarm. This warns you when own ship is off its intended course. For example, an alarm range of 0.05 nautical miles. The ship speed alarm. This alarm sounds when ship speed is lower or higher than the intended speed. The trip alarm. This alarm sounds when the distance run is greater than the trip alarm setting. Water temperature alarm. This alarm sounds when water temperature is higher or lower than the preset temperature. The alarm requires temperature signal from external equipment. Depth alarm. The alarm sounds when the depth is higher or lower than the preset depth. This alarm requires sounder connections. The WAAS/DGPS alarm. This alarm sounds when the WAAS/DGPS signal is lost. Datum selection. The WGS84 or NAD27 are few datums to select from. If this datum is not selected correctly, then the given position might not be accurate. on.